for the Wizarding World. I got my Gryffindor hat. Yes, we, Ryan family, we're Gryffindor. We're in the House of Gryffindor. And I got my, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. And this shirt, which I bought from the gift shop at the resort, in the sun, the map actually comes out. You don't see it, but the map will come out. Entering Hogsmeade. Please respect the spell limits. This area here at Hogsmeade is really great to take a break in because it's got cover and from the sun. And of course, if it's raining, it's also great. And look at all the owls. This is the owlery, I believe. And so there's tons of seating right here. It's very cool. I mean, cool like, hey, that's cool. And also it's very cool temperature-wise. There is also a cashier here and you can buy all kinds of souvenirs. And there is actually a store right behind him, the Owl Post Office. You can go inside there and they have really cool stuff in there. And right next to us here is the ride, Hagrid's Motorbike, Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. So we're just about getting ready to get into line for that. But I love, love, love sitting here and taking a break. And here is some delicious butterbeer. Look, there's bees stuck in the cups right there. They have them all covered so they won't come out and bother people. That's pretty smart. Here, this is the 3 Broomsticks, everyone. So here you get to have some yummy Wizarding World of Harry Potter food. Today's specials, we have fish and chips, beef pasties with garden salad, shepherd's pie. I love shepherd's pie. Just want to let you know. It was one of my favorite things when I lived in England. And it comes with a garden salad. And they also have other stuff, rotisserie smoked chicken. There's kids' meals, chocolate stuff, and much more. And it's really, really neat in there. So let's go on inside and check it out. We are walking into the 3 Broomsticks. And look how totally awesome it is here. Look at the chandelier and all the decoration. It's like you walked into the movie, you guys. It's like you walked right into the movie. So in order to get in here to get your food, there is a giant line outside. And of course, we're not eating right now. So it's okay for us to walk around here and just take a little, do a little vlog for you guys. But this employee will let you in and then you line up right there and then you get to order your food right down there. Then looks like here there's tons of seating and of course it's air conditioned and that is a plus in Florida. Look at all the seating. Let's walk on down and see how big it is. We're going to make a right here. Is that a bar? I think that's a bar. So you get your beverages maybe if you just want to get beverages you can do that separately. Yes. So here is a fantastic bar. Look how cool it looks. I am a huge Harry Potter movie fan in the book. Me and Nicholas read the books. We watched the movies. We love it. So if we keep walking, there is more seating. Make sure to look all around you because for Harry Potter fans, you're going to see so much detail and decoration from the movie. See, so the seating goes all the way back there. And that is where you pay for your food and you come out. And I think like the condiments might be on that side. And that's it. This is great. Look at that giant fireplace that's separating the bar and the restaurant kind of area. That's so cool. I love it. And then you can hear like little sound effects and music. Here in the Wizarding World, on either side of the Wizarding World, if you're looking for the potty, they're going to be called public conveniences, girls and boys. So look for those words. Don't look for bathroom or restrooms or anything like that because they really stay true to form in terms of details with the movies and the books. They really do. Another little tidbit. When you go into the public conveniences, you will hear Moaning Myrtle moaning. And that is really cool. Even if you don't have to go potty, I suggest you go potty. This is another one of the places where you can use your interactive wand to make really magical things happen. It's really cool. Let's see what happens here. Oh, the book closed. There we go. Tales of Beetle the Bard. So you need to stand right there and then you have to get it just right. And then the magic will happen. There it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cool. Look at the view of the castle from here. That is magnificent. Check that out. We just got off the Hogwarts Castle ride and it is really, really fun. However, if you're prone to motion sickness, you can easily get sick because it kind of like goes like this. The motion is all like this, but it's really cool because it's not only just a screen in front of you with some 3D kind of looking stuff without glasses, but it's a lot of animatronics. So it's like your I like it because it's a mixture. I don't like it when it's just straight up 3D and everything's just a screen. It's actually a really, really cool ride. The special effects are outstanding. But like I'm a little sensitive, so I get nauseous kind of easily. I just got a little dizzy on this one. A few times when I felt like I was getting too dizzy, I kind of closed my eyes for a couple seconds and then I was fine. And then when I got off, I was a little bit dizzy and I just kind of walked it off. So if you're, and I get nauseous really easily, so if you're not as bad as me, you'll be fine. Otherwise, you could just maybe skip this one or just take a break afterwards, sit down and like have something to drink. But it is really fun. This is the entryway to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter on the Universal Studios side of Universal rather than the Islands of Adventure. And here we are, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. You have walked into the book/movie. Gringotts Bank is straight ahead. That is a ride right there. It has a long line, so you definitely want to get there as soon as possible when you arrive. This is a Weasley's Magic Shop, so let's go in there and check it out. So this is just like in the movie. Looks almost exactly like the Weasley's Magic Shop. It has all kinds of super neat stuff, but the most important thing of what it has is air conditioning. So we're going to take our time in here. So this is the school books are sold here. This is where Harry and the gang came to get their books for the start of the school year. And we're actually walking towards Ollivanders. Yes, the real Ollivanders. That is where Harry and the gang went to get their wands, and that's where I'm going to go to get my wand. And of course, you can get your robes for all occasions right there. There's all kinds of Wizarding World, Harry Potter magic happening everywhere. We have entered Ollivanders. This is where you get your wand. Now, there's two types of wands you can get. You can get the interactive wand, or you can get the basic wand, where you can't do any of the interactive stuff around the Wizarding World. I recommend paying a little bit more to get the interactive wand. Just want to let you guys know, do you see how busy it is here? It's always this busy here. It is always nuts. Like Scott would prefer not to go here if he could possibly avoid it. Busy, it is. It's so busy in here. And Nicholas agrees, do not come in here if you're not a Harry Potter fan, you don't want a wand. But I am. I'm going to get Hermione's. Nicholas has actually gotten tons of wands. He's got a whole collection going. So this is going to be my first. This is going to be my first wand. Now, does Scott want a wand so he can be all magical? You know whose wand he should get? He should...
That's my wand.
He should get the evil wand. Voldemort. Does everybody see the wands with the O's for Ollivanders? The wands with the O's are not any character-specific wand. It's kind of like they're generic wands, all right? If you want specific wands of a character that you like, you have to actually come this way. And I'm going to show you. As I said, it's very busy in here, so it's very hard. So I'm going to try to show you. Right over here. Let's see. So you will see the name of the character. For example, we have Voldemort. Malfoy is right there. So you can actually get, if you have like a favorite character, you can go ahead, like there's a Death Eater one right there. You can get a favorite character. So, and there's Snape. I love Snape. Snape's one of my favorite characters as well. So I'm going to go ahead and look for Hermione. Here is the Hermione one. Nicholas just found it for me. And he's going to open it up to show me what it looks like. It's kind of hard to open. They get a little stuck, but whoops, there we go. And then it comes with a Diagon Alley map. Here's Hermione's. Thank you, Nicholas. Nicholas also told me that I did make a mistake. So I said that you can get a non-interactive wand here at Ollivanders. And apparently you can get only interactive wands here at Ollivanders inside the Wizarding World. Anywhere inside the Wizarding World, it's all interactive. Outside the Wizarding World, they sell wands all over Universal and in the gift shops and all that. You can get the non-interactive ones there. We found the wands that we wanted. I got Hermione and Scott got a Death Eater. Now we found out there's two Death Eaters. One is a purple box, one is an orange box, and the wands look different. One has a a white skeleton, one has a black skeleton. Look at all those ones. We are going to go on the Gringotts bank ride. In order to go on this ride, you must go straight ahead behind that little dude to put your stuff in a locker. They will not allow you to have anything on this ride. Most Universal rides, unfortunately, are like that. It does become annoying, I have to admit. I'd rather just hold my things. And because like almost every ride, you have to go shove your stuff inside of a locker. And unless you have very little things like small backpacks, and I mean minuscule backpacks or very small items, you're gonna have to pay for it. Oh, the free ones are only teeny tiny ones. We are in Gringotts. We're in the Express Pass. Look at the difference, guys. Standby, Express. Standby, Express. Now, meanwhile, these animatronics are immensely amazing to me. They look totally real. And this looks like you're inside the movie at Gringotts. Look at that. You are inside Gringotts. This is actually Gringotts Bank. Look at that. See? It's like he's talking to me right here. Hello, dude. Will you let us through?
Well, that's all.
See, look. Express line, standby. Which line would you rather be in? Aha, aha. That's what I mean, guys. It's worth paying the extra money. That's all I gotta say about that.
The Weasley's Wildfire Whiz-Bangs. Fine work from my brother's friend George.
George, what are you doing here?
This is my office, Broadat. The question is, what...
Now, listen to me. The passage to your left will take you to a pair of lifts. The lifts will take you down to the cart station. There you'll board a cart for the journey to the vaults beneath the Gringotts. We'll see you down there.
This is my first time using Hermione Granger's wand, so we're going to try the spells and see if I can get this right. Thank you on the first try. Wow. Locomotor bellows. Locomotor bellows.
Kentucky Fried Chicken. El Pollo Loco. See?
Here at the Hopping Pot, you can buy butterbeer and a lot of other refreshments, and then there's tons of seating right here and you can take a break. And then here in the center, sometimes they have live entertainment. Right now they don't, but I've actually stood in that line to get some beverages, and I've watched some live entertainment right here. Oh look, a travel agency. Let's go see if they're hiring. I'd love to live in the wizarding world of Harry Potter, and I'll be a travel agent. It's a travel agency, has all the different prices for tickets. We're gonna go in here and check it out. Ooh. See? You can get a broom to travel. You get that's a ticket to go to platform 9 3/4 to get the London to Hogwarts ticket. One-way travel. Wow, that's really cool. And here are the different types of, there's a schedule, the bus schedule for the night bus, and the Broom Tour City Breaks. I don't want to take that. Broom Tour City Breaks. The Diagon Alley. Don't say diagonally, you'll end up somewhere else. So you go S, so I have to do like that and go and say Speculalis, Speculalis,
Ravioli.
Okay, so Speculalis Raviolio. No? Speculalis Raviolio. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Speculalis Raviolio. Come on. Speculalis Leviosa.
Well, that's an interesting spell there. Alright, you want some help with this?
Yes.
Alright, step a little closer.
Okay.
There you go. Alright, make sure we're aimed right here. Alright, keep it running forward the whole time and just inside this circle.
Inside the circle.
Alright, a little bit bigger. You don't have to lean into it. There you go. Alright, you don't have to go out like that. Look at the shape. See it?
Oh, it's going
an
down.
S.
It's an S and then down.
There you go.
Thank you. Yes, first try.
Yeah.
I knew I was a muggle the whole time.
Now Nicholas is up to bat. Oh, first try.
Again, here are the public conveniences on this side, which means restroom.
All right, Penny's up to bat. She's gonna see if she can get that. Yay! She got it after the 20th try. Congrats! Now Nicholas is up to bat. Can he do it in one try? Oh! One try. Penny's gonna make it rain. I think you might have gotten it.
I think you did it, Mom.
You got it, yeah!
What? Josh? That name Josh? Josh, what kind of wand is that? What? Is it a Tom wand?
Never ever make the mistake of saying diagonally instead of Diagon Alley, because this spooky place is where you're gonna end up. Oh, wanted Bellatrix Lestrange. She is strange. We are inside King's Cross Station. Check-in rental, trams here. Here we go, departures. We gotta get to platform 9 3/4 where we're going. We get to enter through the express entrance, even for a Hogwarts Express. So it is really worth it because I saw like a 70-minute wait outside to get on the Hogwarts. Oh, it's 40 now? Okay, it was 70. It's down to 40, but that's still a long time. Before we went to dinner, it was 70 minutes. But with the express entrance, we go right in. The way that they've actually constructed this inside of King's Cross Underground Station, this is actually very similar to the actual underground stations in London. And it actually makes me kind of homesick for England. When I used to live there, I really loved taking the underground. See everybody? They're walking into platform 9 3/4. You see them disappearing right through there. There they go. There they go, and they're gone. They're in.
Could use a snack. Where's the food trolley? Marnie, can't you conjure up some pumpkin pasties?
Ron, food is the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gamp's law of elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about?
Creatures. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
Any chocolate frogs?
Oh, dear. Let's get back to your seats now. I'll try and round up these little runaways.
Whoa. There it is. Hogsmeade. Just got off the Hogwarts Express and here we are, Hogsmeade Station. I cannot get over how excellent the special effects for the Hogwarts Express is. I can never get over it. I can never have enough of it. I think it's awesome. And just a reminder that in order to be able to ride the Hogwarts Express, you have to have a park-to-park ticket. You can't, you won't be able to ride it otherwise. So it's definitely worth the purchase in my opinion.
Good evening. I'm the Hogwarts Sorting Hat. There's nothing I can't see. So try me on and I will tell you where you ought to be. You might belong in Gryffindor, where dwell the brave at heart. You might belong in Hufflepuff, where they are just and loyal. Or yet, in wise old Ravenclaw, if you've a ready mind. Or perhaps in Slytherin, those cunning folk use any means to achieve their ends. So, just try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be.
a run for their money. I had such a blast today at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. And it is so much more fun to get a wand from Ollivanders and do all of the spells. It is great here. If you're a fan like me, it's like you walked into the books, you walked into the movie, and it is just absolutely amazing. Even if you're not a fan like Scott, he still had a blast. He actually bought himself a wand, and he did all the spells, and he loves it here. And he hasn't even watched all the movies all the way through, so it doesn't really matter. Come to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, have a blast. And thank you for watching Penny on the DL. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next adventure. Have a magical day.